Hey guys, Dave here from Pangione Developers. Let's go take a look at a beautiful project that we're about to start for a family in Bergen County, New Jersey. It's an entire home transformation. Let's go take a look. We are on location of this entire home transformation that we're going to be starting in the next couple of weeks. This home, we're going to be adding a top floor, a side addition, 2 floors, and a front bump out wraparound lemonade porch here in Bergen County, New Jersey. Let's take a look. Before we go any further, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. All right, so here's the side of the home, and we're going to be coming out 5 feet, 2 floors. We're going to have a brand new lemonade porch beyond the 5-foot addition. And as we walk around the front, we're going to be bumping out on the lemonade porch coming out in the front. We're going to have a brand new staircase, all new windows, entire top floor, complete first floor renovation. This is an entire home renovation for this growing family in need of more space. All right, here we are in the back of the house, and we are going to be adding an entire top floor, 3 beds, 2 bathrooms, a office, and an open foyer gym. Downstairs, complete open floor plan, all new windows, kitchen, bathroom, HVAC adjustments. The home already has a generator. We're going to be reattaching that. Entire exterior is going to be transformed, all new windows. We're going out to the right over there, 2 floors. We're coming out with and wrapping around with a lemonade porch. We're adding a top floor, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an office, an open gym, an open foyer. As you walk in, this place is going to look amazing. You can follow this entire home transformation series from beginning to end, filmed live in Bergen County, New Jersey. Click the subscribe button, and we'll see you soon.